What's going on, guys? We're going to look at the NASDAQ chart, the 5-minute view with the 20 SMA on it. We're going to kind of be going over some of today's plays. I want to highly recap a couple of trades here. So if you guys are playing the 20 SMA scalping, using that 20 SMA scalping strategy on a 5-minute time frame, let's take a look at the two setups that have happened as of now. So currently it's 9:35 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, and it is 12:35 Eastern Time. So off the open, off the open here at 9:55 Eastern, we had a 20 SMA setup. Now, there's two ways to play this. You can use the entirety of this reason why candle as your stop. If you are playing it that way, you're going to need to adjust your position sizing into micros, because at 35 points, it's going to be around a $70 loss per micro contract. Okay, so I would recommend no more than 2 to 3. That way we can keep our losses to around $150, $200 a trade. And we're going to keep our stop loss at the maybe about a tick or two below the reason why wick. Okay, so I drew this line here. Our stop loss would be below this wick. If we break through that, just get out of the trade. It's not worth being in it. Anyways, our entry is going to be when a following candle confirms the high of the reason why. Okay, so at 10 a.m., we not only confirm that high of that reason why, but then we kind of pull back and we chop around for a little bit. So when I say that there's two ways to trade this, you can trade it as such. You can look for a quick 5-point take profit. I know a lot of my members and evolution traders in the Discord, they're looking for a little bit higher contract size, where they're maybe playing 1 or 2 mini contracts and they're looking for 5 points, $100, $200 very, very quickly. If you want to manage a trade a little bit better, use micros. 2 to 3 micro contracts. Look for something close to a 1-to-1. Okay, so you're going to risk 35 points on this potential setup. You're going to get into the trade. It's going to go up, it's going to chop around a little bit, and then it's going to go finally push off this 20 SMA once more, and you're going to see that this price here is sitting at 20,165 and your entry was at 20,134. So within a matter of 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, you just took 35 points out of the market on a few micro contracts. So you're looking at around $150, $200 loss. So again, two ways to play it. One way, a little bit less risk. You know, you're going to manage it a lot slower, because you're going to allow this to try to give you a 1-to-1 or something close to it. It doesn't have to be right at 35 points. If you're comfortable taking 20, 25, 30, be my guest. The next trade that happened was here at 11:30. You can see it was a 36-point range candle as well. Your stop loss is just going to be over that reason why. We're going to enter into the trade as soon as we get a following candle to confirm. And then I don't even need to do the math. You're going to see you would have picked up another $150, $200 here if you're playing 2 to 3 micro contracts. So all in all, very, very good price action here on the 5-minute 20 SMA play. Again, if you guys need help identifying these trade setups in real time, and maybe you need some extended studying in courses and videos that are not on YouTube, definitely join the Evolution Traders Gold membership. You guys are going to get access to that. I do live calls where I'll jump on there and go over the price action and do my trading while I'm on the call with the members. I also will put in text notes on things that I'm looking at, potential setups, things that I'm looking at as far as changing my stop loss or changing my take profit, this, that, and the other. Again, it's very good to kind of have that community, have that support system in there, and have that additional education where you guys can kind of study on a day in and day out basis. If that interests you, definitely hop on board into that Discord. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.